So there's a chance that something else is happening, but typically one of these 3 steps that I'm about to show you is what fixes the issue. Here is a Tern HSD P9, but the tips I'm going to show you will work on any Tern that uses this headlight right here. So a couple of things happened, and the first thing we want to check is that the headlight icon's on. If it's not on, we hold the plus button. So this is what it would look like. Hold the plus button, headlight turns on, and you'll know that it's working because your tail light will be lit up as well. As you can see, the headlight's on, but let's see the headlight didn't work when I pushed it, and it says the headlight's on and my tail light's working. Typically, it's because this switch got hit right here. So lights off, light button's on here, switch that on, headlights on. Now, let's just say bike is on, fully powered, headlight icon, headlight switch is good, and you're now not getting anything here. It's typically because these got pulled out. I crimped these on pretty hard, so, right? So this is maybe what you're dealing with. It looks like these are plugged in. Headlight icon's on, light switch is on, no light. So we want to come to the back. If you can see the wires, you want to have the red one on the left side and the black on the right side. Tern normally indicates by coloring on the red light, but we're going to go onto this right side. Even just connecting it, you can see I have power. Make sure it's all the way in there. These are crimped. If you wiggle them or they're not all the way on, it will fault. You can kind of see as I'm wiggling them. If they're not all the way on, it will turn off. And then just make sure when you're folding the bike or messing with your handlebars, you have room on this wire. So those are the 3 things I check. Those are the 3 things I check, and if those 3 things don't check out, then I would recommend visiting your local Bosch dealer so they can plug in and see where the error for your light is, and potentially check the motor plugs and maybe a different light to see if it's an issue with the actual headlight, or I haven't seen headlights die on e-bikes yet, but I'm sure it's coming as these are in the market longer and longer. All right, hopefully that was helpful, and if you have any more questions, make sure to post them below. Until next time, this was Arleigh with Bike Shop Girl, and just reminding you to bike more and worry less.